your internal investment criteria, your investment objective and whatnot. You don't tell the public to invest in this stock. No, we just tell the public these are halal stock. That's all. Full stop. Okay. Of course, there are other entities. For example, Dow Jones, Dow Jones Islamic Market, which is based in New York. They produce Islamic index, but their objective is not just to tell the investor that these are investable instruments or investable stock. They go to the extent of telling the investors that these, they don't only tell the public this is Shari'ah compliant stock. They go to the extent to tell the public these are investable stocks from the investment point of view. So we don't go to that extent. We just tell the public these are Shari'ah compliant stocks. Full stop. It promotes the development of ISM products and services, for example, Islamic index funds, and of course, encourage application of Islamic banking products. I would like to share with you our experience, the last bullet. Maybe you do not see the importance of the list if you are not in the market. If you are in the banking, if you are a public listed company, for example, you are very passionate into Islamic finance. You are one of the serious corporate individual who just want to invest in, or who just want to deal with Islamic instruments. We had a number of experiences where companies were classified as non-approved because their surplus cash were invested in riba-based instruments. And the moment we disclose to the public these companies as non-compliant, the next day, you ask my colleague, the next day or day after, we should be receiving phone call from the management of this particular company. The first question they ask me, why have you excluded our company from the list when our business operations are clean? There is no permitted activities on the company. Simple answer, we said, you have invested your surplus cash in riba-based account, and it generated significant amount of interest income to the group, and this interest income has exceeded a certain level set out by the SEC. So they asked me, what should I do next year? The simple answer is to shift your riba-based account to Islamic account. There are huge pile of cash in listed companies, and most of this idle cash have been mobilized and placed in riba-based accounts. So what is our contribution there? If you want to be deemed as compliant, if your business are clean, the only way is to shift your riba-based account, invest or deposit into Islamic account. And of course, this will significantly contribute to the development of Islamic banking, to the growth of Islamic banking. Isn't it? People never realize this. People never realize that capital market, Islamic capital market, in one way or another, has contributed to the growth of Islamic banking in terms of the deposits in Islamic banking, the growth of deposit in Islamic banking. In one way or another, we do contribute to the growth of the Islamic banking. But again, it's up to the management of the listed company, to the management of the public listed company. If they couldn't be bothered with our persuasion, then next year you'll be deemed again as non-compliant, and you wouldn't be able to attract Islamic investors, tabung haji, takaful, Islamic funds. So that will be the implication. So I think in one way or another, the list has given a big impact to the industry, to the Islamic financial market. Don't tell Bank Negara. I know Bank Negara people are here, but don't tell Bank Negara. Okay, let's move on to our specific agenda here. So how do we do? How do we review our counters? I call it CSI. Because we also have our own lab. Our lab is not like a CSI lab, but we have our own lab. And we have two scientists here. With me, I have two scientists here. And they are hands-on, very hands-on with the subject matters. Almost every day they have cases to study. Some cases cannot be decided at our end. We will have to raise to another level with our SAC because of the complexity of the subject matters. So again, we start by extracting relevant financial information from audited financial report and other material information. The basis of our review is audited financial reports. In some cases, financial report or annual report is not adequate. So what we need to do is to call up the management, the financial controller, to furnish us with additional information. And this again, if you do not work with the XC, can you go or can you approach the management or financial controller of listed company and ask them to release certain material information to you? I don't think they will be willingly to release the information to you. But with the power vested to us, I think indirectly they will be obliged to furnish us with adequate additional information. Even though there is no specific power, say if you don't furnish us with this information, we will go after you and punish you through various provisions in the law. There is no such law. There is no such provision in the law that would allow us to punish public listed company from not sharing the information with us. No, there is no such provision in the law. In certain cases, yes, when this particular company has been under our investigation, of course, the law provides us the power to extract additional information. But for this particular process, we don't have to apply any law. They will be willingly sharing with us their information because they want their company to be deemed as Shari'ah approved. If they don't share additional information with us, it gives us difficulty to review their company. And if we have problems in reviewing the company, we will stop and we will deem this company as non-approved. There will be a loss to the company, isn't it? So, through moral suasion, through awareness among the public listed companies, they will, in one way or another, share with us additional information. But I'm sure if other companies, take for example, other companies, let's say Bank Islam, wants to do the same, and they approach UEM, for example, or they approach the Tenaga Nasional, for example, for more information in order for them to review the company from Shari'ah perspective. I think they will face a lot of difficulties. But at SC level, I don't think they give us such a problem. So once we have extracted relevant information from the audited report and material information through our inquiry with the financial control and management, we will undertake an internal Shari'ah compliance review process to identify contribution for non-permissible activities. And once we have obtained the financial information on non-permissible activities, we will compare with the established Shari'ah financial benchmark as set out by the SAC. And we do not decide. We compare with the Shari'ah benchmark. We know how much, what is the level of contribution for non-permissible activities to the group. We will tabulate the result and table to the SEC for final consideration and decision. And every 6 months, the list of Shari'ah securities will be announced to the public, including those companies which will be excluded from the list. So this is the simple process in our lab, and this is carried out almost on daily basis because we have 1,000 companies that need to be reviewed, and the numbers keep on increasing over the days. So we only have few people in SC. We don't have the benefit of 500 staff in SC to carry out this review. So I have my colleagues here and two other colleagues to help the department in conducting review on companies. Now, of course, we have gone to this. I'll take you to that process.